everyone, welcome to the second episode of Kiddo Book Babble. Thank you for spending some time with me today. Today is exciting and it's really going to lend itself to a video format. I call this one the Hidden Reveal episode, and we see some really cool projects where they do neat things with ink and design to reveal things that aren't immediately apparent on the page. It's really interactive, it's really interesting for the child, and I found it really makes them engage with the material. First up, we have this book called Illuminature, and it is written by Rachel Williams, and the design is by a duo who call themselves Carnovsky. And it's really neat. You can see from the cover alone that it looks very trippy. Woo, crazy. And what they're showing here is this magic, they call it, viewer that the book comes with. The book covers about 10 different habitats from all around the world, everything from lochs to reefs to plains to mountains. And for each habitat, you take this viewer here and you hold it up to your eye and you can see different things revealed on each page. So if you use the red lens, you'll see daytime animals. If you use the green lens, you'll discover the habitat. And the blue lens lets you see the nighttime and twilight animals. It's really cool. Let me give you a little example on how this works here. Let's pick a habitat. Oh, we'll start with the Simpson Desert. Here we are at the Simpson Desert. And I'm going to hold this up to the camera so you can get a good look at how this works. There we are. Suddenly you can see the daytime animals. And let's look at the habitat next. Very cool. And nighttime. These are dark, but you can see it there. And that's how that works. Each habitat also comes with a description of about 12 animals, nighttime and twilight animals and daytime animals, and it's little facts about all these things. My kid doesn't know how to read yet, but this book keeps them busy for a pretty long chunk of time. There's a lot to look at, even if you can't read all the words for yourself. And it's a good book to sit and just spend some time with your kids going through all this stuff, and you can tell them about the animals as they find them, and that's always a fun way to spend time. There's a lot in here, and I honestly haven't gotten all the way through it yet, and I've owned this book for a few months. So, pretty cool. Check that out. Next up, I have a book called The Human Body. This is a Shine a Light book. Kane Miller Publishing has a whole series of these, and what these are designed to do are show you something on one page, and then when you hold your light up behind the page, you'll be able to see something revealed. Okay, I'll show you how this works here. So if you take the flashlight and hold it up behind the page, you can see the baby inside the body. Pretty cool. When I first got it, I was worried that you'd be able to see some sort of outline or, something on the page itself that would be really cheesy and cheap, and you'd be like, duh, and it would just be extra shiny or something. But it actually, I think it's pretty well done. And I also like about this one, the facts go long and it goes through the body. You start with the baby and it goes through the bones, muscles, because muscles are attached to the bones. Everything goes in a pretty good, sensible order. You're doing exercise, how do you get the air in, and then it goes to the blood, and so on and so forth. So I read this one with my 4-year-old, and I found that the facts actually really stuck, which made me pretty happy. It's a cool thing to learn about. So yeah, that one's called The Human Body, and again, they have a whole series of these about all sorts of different topics. So yeah, so I just wanted to share those 2 books with you today. Those are kind of the only 2 that I know about in terms of hidden reveal type of books. If you have any more, please let me know. Give my website a visit at kiddobookbabble.com and tell me about it, and I'll talk to you later. Bye!